Hey, what's up everybody? This is Louis with LR Valdez Rentals and Bout That RV Life. And today we're going to do a video on how to market your RV rental business. So you've started an RV rental business. Now what? In this video, I'm going to show you a few marketing tips that you can use to promote your RV rental business. So before we get started, if you could smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you get notifications when we upload other content. All right, so number one, the RV share platform. Outdoorsy's got one too. We use it. We don't use it as much. We haven't had much success with Outdoorsy, but RV share has been great. They have this thing called a smart match. So it matches up a potential renter with what the certain type of camper that they're looking for, and if it matches up with yours, they shoot you an email saying, hey, hurry up, go check this lady out, she's looking for a camper just like yours. So what that means for you is that you're getting free leads from RV Share, who has hundreds of people reaching out trying to look for campers. And the cool thing with RV Share is as you start to get more bookings and you get 5-star reviews, you get top rated on RV Share, which is pretty awesome. And you start getting more and more leads. We get, I'm not kidding you, we get at least one lead every other day, if not every single day, from RV Share. And I just reach out to them and say, hey, I saw that you're looking in this area. I think my camper would be great for you. So RV Share is definitely, it's a free platform. They now have an app, which is pretty cool. And you don't have to spend any money to get your profile set up there, but it's a great way to market your business. They kind of do some of that work for you. Now, getting into some of the traditional ways of marketing, obviously, one of the first things is you want to get a business card. You're going to get in a lot of conversations. People are going to ask you, what you been up to, man? You know what? I've got my business card sitting right there, and I tell them about my business. And I whip it out. It's got our website on it, which is pretty cool. I got it from Vistaprint, which I want to say was maybe 10 to 15 bucks for 250 cards. That kind of got us started. That's what we did in the beginning to start to get that word out. The other thing I started to do, I started to realize that, as our campers are out there, they're going to be seen by a lot of people, right? And I saw this from a video that I saw of a lady who had a camper that they had for rent, and they had a QR code on it that says, rent me. So I figured, what the heck, might as well do that. So I grabbed the link from the RV Share website for that camper, and I uploaded it to a website that got the QR code, and it printed it out, and it's a 6x6 inch sticker that's somewhat weatherproof. Put it on all sides of my camper. So if you scan that QR code with your camera, that link will pop up to RV Share for my rental, and it makes it easier for people who are looking to book a rental. A lot of times they're sitting around a campfire talking to their friends, and they're going, man, this is a nice camper. And they say, yep, there's a QR code if you want to check it out. I was able to put together a flyer also that's weatherproof. It's nice, it's glossy, it sticks on your windows. I was able to put that. I'm going to be showing that right here, right now. But it's pretty nice. We love it. It works. It's got our personal, our business phone number on it. It's got our email address. It's got a nice description. It's got a picture of us that also matches up with our website and our social media pages. Now that QR code flyer was, I want to say it was about 60 bucks, and I only got about 25 of them. So it's a little pricey, but it's a tax write-off. They work. They're really nice and well put together, and they last. They're somewhat weatherproof, I want to say. We've had some severe rain here. We've had some snow and some freezing temperatures, and they seem to hold up. Now, as you all know, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, right? Social media sites are great for free promotional and advertising. One of our favorites is our YouTube channel. Realizing that, you can monetize a channel, make money while you're making money renting out your RVs. And on your YouTube channel, you got your links to your Facebook page, your Twitter, your Instagram, and I even have a Pinterest channel. Again, social media is free, inexpensive, and it's definitely a way to get your name out there. If you've got friends and family, I've got about, close to 5,000 friends on my Facebook page. It gets the name out there. We've gotten referrals from it. We've got people that have seen certain posts that we have made, and they've forwarded our information, and from there, we've got some bookings so far. Now, YouTube has been a phenomenal tool for us in a lot of different ways. Number one, we can put a lot of how-to videos for our RVs. So if somebody's looking to know how to operate a control panel and what that looks like, we've got a video for that. If somebody needs to learn how to stabilize or unhook the hitch from it, We've got a video for that, right? It's a great tool for you to be able to collapse your time, use those videos as training materials for your customers who are renting out your RV, so that you're not having to go back and explain how to hook up your phone to the Bluetooth system, right? Stuff like that. All right, so in this last section here, I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the things that we're able to do that actually cost money. And we were willing to invest that money into our business and help it grow and grow exponentially. We feel like just a small amount of time that we've had our RV rental business, we've done really well because of some of these things that we've done. Number one, the first thing we did was just really simple and easy, is we started a Facebook page for LR Valdez Rentals. And we did a quick ad. You can throw out an ad where basically you're investing anywhere from, you can do from, I think it's $3 up to $50 if you wanted to, and it all depends on the amount of people that you want to reach. We started off very, very low, and we started to get some people that started to recognize what LR Valdez Rentals was and starting to go to our website. We started to see our traffic move up. We started to have people reach out to us, and then they started following our Facebook page. And then they started reaching out for rentals, or they had questions about certain rentals that we had for the following season. So it was pretty cost effective. Another thing that we did that I felt really helped with getting our name out there was we started a Google Ads campaign. And we did this because, one, we wanted to get our name out there fast. We were going into the winter, so we knew that this from literally from the October to probably even February, March was going to be a kind of a booking season, right? Where people are going to start booking their trips for the following year. So I wanted to make sure that if people were searching for rentals near me, right, I wanted to be the first to pop up. We've had a lot of people call us from the ad asking questions, and then we've had a lot of people that went to our website and they booked for the following season, which is great. But Google Ads can be a little expensive, you know. I think I spent anywhere from about $350, which was a little bit too much than I wanted to spend. But looking back, we definitely got a lot of, we got some trips booked out of it. We definitely got a lot of notoriety. We got some rankings also on Google. So as you search, you'll be able to find us. And last but not least, our GoDaddy website. So this thing has been phenomenal for us. It's user-friendly, really simple and easy to put together. And as you can see here, you know, we've got kind of our catchphrase, start your next venture with LR Valdez Rentals. We've got our calendar here. We've got, you know, you're subscribed, so we can start a newsletter, which is something that we're still working on, which is coming out here pretty soon. And then as you can see, we've got our YouTube videos that are embedded into this webpage, where it welcomes people. You got a picture of, you know, why we're doing what we're doing, which is always the goal, right? People want to try to understand what we're doing. Got some social media tabs. And then down here below, we have all three of our campers that we've done full walkthroughs to show people what they're potentially going to rent. There's our Grand Design, and then our 2014 Keystone Hideout. And as you go down here below, we've got a this is a promo video here. So as you can see here, we've got videos here that, you know, all of our campers come camp ready, fully stocked for camping. So this is a video, it's a short, that basically walks through each one of our campers and what we actually have inside of it so people can see. And then down below, we've got some customer reviews. It's good to find out what our customers are saying about LR Valdez Rentals. And we basically made this video from our RV Share website, and it's just got some examples of what some of the customers are saying. All of our reviews have been 5-star reviews. We haven't had one negative review yet, thank God. And so yeah, it's a pretty cool website. And then down below, you know, my wife did a great video on how we clean our RVs, which is great. Helps people understand, you know, the steps that we take to make sure that they're sanitary. We follow the COVID protocols and all that stuff. And then as you go down below here, we've got some more social media tabs, and then our Amazon affiliate partners. So there you guys go. Those are some of the things on how to market your RV rental business, and some of the things that we were able to use to start to create some success with it. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Watch some of the other videos that we've got here. And again, as always, happy camping.